Hello children, how are you all? Your Joyita ma'am is back. Today we will learn together about the mirror image letters. What do you mean by mirror image letters? Okay, I will explain that to you. When we stand in front of a mirror, we can see our image. It is called reflection. The mirror image is also called reflection. In the mirror image, the right side of the object becomes the left side, and the left side of the object becomes the right side. The top and bottom sides of the object does not change. If we hold the alphabets in front of a mirror, some will look same and some will look different. We will see that out of 26 alphabets in capitals, 11 letters look same in the mirror image as that of the original images. The 11 capital letters are A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X and Y. Let us do an activity to find out these 11 capital letters that look same in the mirror image. Can you see children? I have written some letters on the paper and I have placed a mirror in front of the letters. Let us see what letters can we read from the mirror image, starting from A to G. A in the mirror image is same as the original letter. So we can read the mirror image of A. B is not straight. Can you see? The B is reversed. C is also reversed. D we cannot read because it is reversed. Then comes E, F and G. You can see we cannot read the letters properly in the mirror image as the letters are reversed. In this activity, children, we will see the letters that looks same in the mirror image. I have written A. Now suppose this is the mirror and let me show you how it looks same. Can you see children? The same A we have got on the next side. The mirror forms the image just like this. The next letter I am drawing is H. Let us see the image of H. Can you see children? It is same as the original letter. Let me move on to the next letter. Can you see, children? All these 11 letters, they are having the same reflection or mirror image. Did you enjoy the activity, children? Okay, now I hope you know what are mirror image letters. So today we have learnt those 11 letters, the 11 capital letters which have got the same mirror image as the original letter. So please keep on practicing and remember, take care, children, stay healthy. Until then, it's bye-bye from Joyita ma'am.